Nandito na naman tayo sa bayan ng Superstar. Kenneth Duremdes, galing kay Johnny Abarrientos.
Vasquez running, Captain He's long, long! By Captain Durantes. At mapapatayan si Coach Chong Yuchico, bigla silang pinaliguan ng puntos.
Don't forget it, cause I know you ain't with it.
Monster Slam, galing kay Asi Taulava.
Nananalasan ng turnover. Mobilay, and there's no bumping play coming from Asi Taulava.
Partner, malaking spurt ito for Mobiline and Asi Taulava, elevating for a slam dunk.
Ang baguhang si Richard Yee, galing kay Kapitan.
Here's Patrick Modio. Richard Yee. Oh, that's a foul. Foul pass. Yes. Ang ganda naman yung galaw niyo ni Richard Yee. Kagulo po yung mga fans of Purewoods dito.
That is a 19-point lead right now. Ginebra stuck to 46, only 2 points.
Ito naman ang local human highlight film na si Danny Stiegel.
Danny Stiegel.